Hello friends! In this video, we intend to go through the steps of opening an account with the XChief Broker via the Tradingfinder website together. We will enter the review related to Forex brokers and select the XChief Broker. We click on the Go To option on the website and enter the page related to the XChief site. In this section, we click on the Register option and complete the account opening details. We enter the page related to the XChief site, and in this section, we click on the Register option and fill in the account opening information. We enter the contact number and email address that you have not previously registered with this broker, and click on the option that states you accept all terms and conditions related to this broker. Then select the Continue option. A confirmation email will be sent shortly to your registered email address. In this section, you copy the code and paste it, then click on the Confirm option. In this step, you select the information related to your trading account and click on the Open Account option. Your account has been successfully opened on the XChief site, and by clicking the Sign In option in the Personal area, you will enter your trading cabinet in this broker. In future videos, we will go step by step through the identity verification process and how to upload documents. Wishing you success and profitability.